So the number of these two, 58 and 59. Let's move on. Okay, medium size. Medium size. Just 6 head here. Six head. And show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the medium size. And another one, this color, also by 6. So these two, the number 60 and 61. Okay, a small one by 3 heads here. By 3. Okay. And this one, 3 heads. So these two items, 62 and 63. Now, a special collection here. Very special. Flocky cereals. And we have 6 items here. Okay, welcome, my dear customer. We are showing you some succulents, special one. I think you seldom see in the market. This is special vase in special shape and succulent. You see, this is flocky, always flocky. So it will not look very bright. I think I like this color. It's very natural. And inside, please note there's some green moss here. This is natural. Natural moss here in dry color. Okay. Next. Say something, Catherine.
Next one.
Okay, next one. Dun, 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 dun. My favorite one. Also, this one enjoys very good sales because the price is really, really very favorable. You see, I think the first hanging, yeah, we can do in this way. Okay, see the glass in two parts here, different color and dark color here. Okay, this one usually we make 12 dozen, 12 piece, one with one holder like this to protect the glass. We make a hole here, so here we have 6 pieces. We can make each one 2 pieces, like a pallet here. So this we sell a lot, as I said. Our best sellers, we can say. This one also is soft. The same base. I think looks very cute, natural. And this, of course, you can don't use this rope if you don't want. And this one, this is also my design, my own design here. A small cactus. And another one, cactus again. Here. You can see this one. Then, okay. Do you like my design? Cactus. It's lovely. Not big one. Okay. Let's move to another one. Also is in very soft material. Soft. So feels natural. And here with flocky, you can see. Okay, it's nice. And another one, this one. This plant also is my favorite. It's good. Now, okay, remember we can make one plate by 12 pieces in a foam holder. 12 pieces in a plate. Okay, it's good. Of course, if you don't want this kind of packing, we can change according to your requirements. If you like small, or we can wrap it in another way, because some people don't like the foam. This is poly foam. Okay, next one. Okay, another one in different pot. Okay. We can make also 1 dozen like this. 1 dozen design as you like. Yeah, small one. Very cute. I can show you one by one the plant. Okay, first.
What's the material of the pot?
Guess?
Stone.
Stone, no. This small sand inside. The pot, this pot is cement. Cement. Yes. It's very popular in these years. And you can see the plant. It's very lovely and cute. Small one. Just on my hand. So small. And now this one. I'll show you a small one. Different plant. Okay, it's nice. Too. And this one. Different plant. Okay, let's go on. This one different also. Okay, and next one. This. I think the color also is very nice. Not so bright. And this one. Cute. You see? So, in good price. We sell a lot to stores, supermarkets. Really, they like this one. I think it's cute and small, and the price is nice. Very good. And this one, the plant also is my favorite. And now the last, this one. It is so nice. Don't you think so? So we can make a plate just like this, by 12 pieces or 6 pieces as you like. Okay, we can mark down the number. Okay, we can use this number from 95 to 100, right? Okay, so after this, I think we can have a break. Then we can go on. Okay, see it closely.